that works. Here we go. Hi guys. Oh, I thought I would hop on and show you a look I'm gonna do today. I'm not quite sure. I have an idea. I thought I'd use a couple cream shadows and a press shadow, and then I'm gonna use a new lip potty in the color Jenna today, which I thought would be pretty for my shirt. So I thought I would use Mysterious, which is a metallic kind of a almost a purple burgundy maybe. And then I thought maybe if I still wanted a little bit of dark, I could go Rapturous in the corner. This is a really dark purple, grapey color. So I'll just leave those open. Hi Jennifer. So I'm actually gonna put on some Crafty first, which is this, it's almost blue, but it's not, so it's kind of like a periwinkle color. I thought I would put that on as my base. It's my transition color, and then go from there. So I'll put that on with my blending brush. This little hair is driving me nuts. So just put a little bit on the end of my brush, tap off the excess, and then I'm just going to put this kind of over the middle. Hi, Jamie. Thanks for hopping on, you guys. Hi, Emily. So I'm just putting on a little bit of Crafty as my transition, and then I'll go in with the Mysterious cream shadow. So we had a yard sale yesterday, and that was fun. My sister-in-law and I did it together. And so we were literally outside. Hi, Denise. From 7 a.m. I think we came inside. Now, granted, we didn't have the yard sale all night, but their family stayed, and we ended up having dinner together and drinks, and the kids played. So we spent almost all day and evening outside. It was wonderful. I love stuff like that. It was really fun. Our yard sale didn't turn out to be much, but we had fun. So that's, you know, the kids had fun, they played, and my husband and my brother-in-law got to hang out, and I got to hang out with my husband's sister, and it was just nice. All right. I'm going to take my cream shadow brush. I'm going to grab some Mysterious, which is this really pretty metallic color, which is not really all that metallic once you have it on, to be honest. And I'm going to apply it to my lid. Actually, I may just grab my finger and do it. Sometimes it's just easier. One of the reasons I love cream shadows so much is because it doesn't matter how you put them on, they're going to work out just fine. So I'm just dabbing that on my lid, and what I will do next is blend that out into the other color that I put on, the Crafty, and then I'll add some Rapturous to deepen the corners and blend those out. So it's easy. Well, people probably get irritated with me because I say it's easy. It's easy for me, and cream shadow is an easy product to use. So I shouldn't say it's easy. It's a very friendly product to use. That's probably why I have several cream shadows. So is anybody doing anything fun today? It's, my husband already went to Aquaca and back. He went to a shooting range for like clay pigeons and stuff with a guy from work that he goes and has fun with his friends down there. And he invited Todd to go. So he went down there this morning and the kids and I slept in, which was nice. I actually physically slept till almost 9, and then Millie got up about 9:30 maybe, and I was just being lazy, laying in my bed, because that doesn't happen very often. And then Declan finally woke up about 9:45. So that's a really late start for us. Now we're all trying to get ready to go on kind of like an errand run. We've got a couple places to go. I think we're all going to go as a family. Todd grilled out hamburgers for he and I, and that was nice for lunch. It's kind of gloomy here today. I thought maybe we could go to the pool, but it was really kind of cloudy, and I didn't know what time. I figured Todd would be gone longer, so when he called and said, "Oh, I won't be that long," I was like, I'll just wait. So I did not realize how dry this purple was until just now. I don't use it very often. If you ever run into that problem, just squirt a little rose water on it. It'll loosen right back up, and then it's not hard to soften up. Okay, so there you have it. I may add a little more pressed powder to brighten up the highlight part of my eye. But that's 2 cream shadows. Should I put some underneath? I think I'll put some underneath, but I'm not sure what color. Let's highlight first and then I'll decide. Do you like this color? That mysterious color is really pretty. I kind of like it. All right. I'm going to use Optimistic. Hi, Sarah. I'm going to use Optimistic. It's kind of like a oyster color. It's a metallic. It's really light. It's pretty. Just take a little bit of that and then press it right underneath my brow. And then I'll put a little in the corner of my eyes. I think I'll put a little Mysterious under there, which is the first color we used. And then I'll put my lip gloss on, or my lip plumper, and my mascara. Sarah, what are you and Emil doing today? Everyone's so quiet, they're not commenting. Okay, let's do some mascara real quick. I put my contacts in, so I'm having a hard time focusing. I'm not used to them. Okay, there we go. So my girlfriend Angie was like, which lip hottie is your favorite? Because she knew I got all 5 of them. And I'm like, I don't have a favorite. They're all my favorite. I don't have a favorite. She goes, I want them all. It would be hard for me to pick, to be honest. I'm glad I got all 5. I was putting my makeup on yesterday and I noticed in my eyelashes I've been using this Steam Lash Serum, and I actually saw actual growth coming from my eyelid, like an extra, like, hi Hannah, I saw extra eyelashes sprouting. It was really surreal because I've never seen that before, so I know it's working, and before too long I'll have awesome lashes. Like naturally lash. You know what I mean? It was something I'd never seen before or noticed. And that was really fun. Hi Hannah, what are you doing today? Okay, one more coat of Epic and then I'll show you the lip plumper I'm going to use for today. In this month's Kudos, you get 1 cream shadow. So say you wanted to have Mysterious, you can get Mysterious. This is one of the cream shadows I used today. You get this amazing mascara that I'm using right now, and then you get your choice of a lip plumper for $58. Doing a week's worth of work on my online class in one day. Yeah, that would be me. I would do the same thing. Absolutely. Well, good luck on that, sister. I know I'm going to have to do some extra hi, Melissa. I'm going to have to do some extra work this year to get my teacher cert up to par. I mean, I'm certified, right? But you have to have CPDUs and extend your education as you teach. And so because I've been part-time, I don't have that much. Hi, Luann. So I'm going to have to bulk it up a lot. So I have a feeling I'm going to have to take an online class too. I don't know how to do that with a job and kids. I mean, I did that in my late 20s, early 30s, but I didn't have a family to help take care of or anything like that. So I don't know if I mean, I'd have to do it regardless, but I don't know how that would work. Hi, Becky. I saw your pictures from that wedding. It looks awesome. The boys look good too. Okay, so there's the Epic. I put 2 coats on the top and 1 on the bottom. And then I put some, I really need to bring some paper towels down here. I put some lip exfoliator on. And then I'll put some, what did I say? I was going to put some Jenna on, didn't I? Jenna. This is the Jenna Lip Hottie. I thought that would look really pretty with my eye color and shirt color today. It is hard. Thank you. When you have kids of any kind, it's... Although it may help my son be more excited about reading if he saw me studying, so... I don't know. Other moms do it. I'm not the only one. Okay, so there's Jenna Lip Potty today with I love this stuff. It's amazing. If you have not gotten your Lip Potty, comment below and I will hook you up. Or the Kudos is just $58 and you get Epic, a cream shadow, and a Lip Potty. Now, I will say this before I get off. I am putting in a bulk order today. If you need something and are local, I will save you $5.50 in shipping and I will hand deliver that makeup to you. If you want to, comment below what you'd like to get and I will save you that money on shipping. Okay, so just the product amount and the tax, and I will deliver it to you. Okay, so I just wanted to review on the colors I used today. I started with Crafty as a transition color. Then I put Mysterious on my lid. I darkened the corners with Rapturous. And then I highlighted with Optimistic. So these shadows, cream or otherwise, go on, well, the cream shadows go on as cream. Hi Allison, hi Tanya. They go on as a cream, but they finish to powder, so you can blend them and use them with any of our other eye products, okay? So they're amazing. So that's what I just wanted to show you today. Have a great afternoon. And again, if you need anything, please comment below and I'd be happy to message you. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.